Hey there, Pottery Pals! Today we're making something extra sweet, a pen holder with heart decorations to brighten up your workspace. Grab your Artify pottery kit, get cozy, and let's get rolling. First things first, roll out a piece of clay into a nice flat circle. This is going to be the base, so make it as smooth as possible. It's like the foundation of a cake, but less delicious. Roll another piece of clay into a cylinder, about 2 fingers wide. Attach it to the base. Roughen up the clay where they meet, kind of like giving it some texture so they become best friends and stick together. Time to give this pen holder some height. Roll out another cylinder and stack it right on top. Just keep stacking until it feels right, like you're making a mini pottery skyscraper. Make sure it's nice and smooth because we want this pen holder to be tall and classy. Now for the fun part, hearts. Roll out a piece of clay and shape it into a hollow heart. The more charming, the better. Use a carving knife to help shape the point and smooth it out with a sponge. Let's get those edges looking lovely. Make 4 hearts in total, because more love is always better, right? Attach each heart to the base of the pen holder using a strip of clay to keep everything nice and secure. Smooth it all out with your fingers so it looks like it was always meant to be there. It's painting time. Once the pen holder is dry, grab some bright paints and bring those hearts to life. You can also add a little extra flair to the color design. This is your chance to get creative and make each heart uniquely special. Paint the rest of the pen holder and let it dry. Once it's all dry, your sweetheart pen holder is ready to show off on your desk. Thanks for hanging out and crafting with us. Don't forget to share your adorable pen holder using #Artify Art Supplies. Let's spread the love.